Sana magkaroon tayo ng kapatid na lalaki.
Oo nga. Eh, paano nga naman tayong nanay? Meron na.
Tara!
Alam mo yung bata? Hello!
Ate! Bakit?
May bata doon na lalaki.
Ano? Ay, bata!
Hello mga ate.
Ay! Yay!
Hoy, Hayden, pagtatapusin ka namin ng pagpupulis mo, pagbutihin mo ha. Thank you, ate.
Hi!
Ulit na
Yay!
Ate, pupunta na ako sa Japan natin ng mga tatapos natin ha.
Tumawag ka kung nandun ka sa flight, ha?
Tayo na, bes! Maulit tayo sa flight.
Huwag mo silang saktan! Wow!
Basta muna din eh, ako.
Tara, nasan si
Hayden.
Diba ate, may pasok siya?
Tulad ng sinabi ni Boogie. Pupunta na ako sa Amerika ha.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Bes, nakarating din tayo dito.
Oo nga. So, huwag mo kakabayan. Ayan ha. Bye-bye.
Ate, graduation namin. Bumasa, punta ka. Sige, sige.
Ha? Ano yun? Sige.
I recall when you said that you would never leave me. You told me more, so much more. Like when the time you whispered in my ear, there was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you'd be here forever. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight. And if into my dream you come and touch me once again, I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart expands. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh so far away. I was afraid this time.
Ang mga kapatid mo, siyempre maganda ang nanay namin.
Bubi, nakita mo ba yung bata?
Ay ate, nakalimutan mo na. Kinuha ni Tita.
Ay, oo nga pala. Yung graduation.